Welcome to Discover Talent, the hub of data analytics. Quick question. Does Excel freeze the moment you change one number in your spreadsheet? If you have ever seen Excel not responding, this video will save your hours of frustration. No, it's not your laptop. It's one hidden Excel setting most people don't understand. In next couple of minutes, I will show you why Excel actually becomes slow, exact setting that fixes it, and how professionals use it without breaking reports. Stay till the end. One mistake here can silently ruin your numbers. Let me tell you a quick story. A sales analyst sends me a file, 60,000 of rows. Okay, every time he changes one value, Excel freezes for 10 seconds. He thought his system was weak, but it wasn't. Excel isn't just a spreadsheet, it's a massive calculator, and by default, Excel recalculates formulas every single time you touch anything. Okay, that's a great for small files, terrible for big ones. If in case you are working with the giants spreadsheet, big data in MS Excel, that time it is a terrible. Cool. So on the screen, you can see this is the raw data set I have it. Okay. Random data set I have just now added over here. Here, if you could see in the formula section, there is an option called calculation option. Here, this option is check on, which is automatic, right? What we have did, suppose your cursor is here, you just have to simply click on the formulas ribbon tab, calculation option, and click on this automatic option. Okay. This is by default, it's turn on. If in case it is not really turned on, just make sure that you have turned this option on, okay, for your spreadsheet. Right now, Excel is automatically calculating the formulas. Okay, the moment I press any kind of a value over here, if you could see over here, right, Excel will automatically calculate this formula, which is this. And update, we got a simple calculation over here. Okay, now imagine this isn't a 3 rows, okay, but 1 lakh rows with XLOOKUPs, charts, dashboards. Excel recalculates everything again and again. Example over here in this specific row, suppose this is the region, sales and rate over here, and overall calculation, which is, I will say this as a commission, suppose. Okay, for an instance, and here we'll talk about east, west, and then north. Here we'll add a couple of entries over here. Okay, suppose this again, majority entries I have just now added over here. Again, this is all about the calculation, the small scale data set, folks. Okay, you can change that for your own requirement. Cool. And here we'll say simply this into this, and I got a result over here. It is done. I'll just simply do a control D over here, and I got a result over here. Let me just change this from here. So I'll just say this is a dollar, and here suppose I will be changing this as a 6%. And for an instance, suppose I have copied this, paste it over here. Okay, the moment we do a control D, you see some sort of lag is there. Okay, even if it is a small scale data, we have it. Okay, but there is a some sort of lag. Okay, why? Because it's calculating each of the rows every time, and we are getting a result then and there. Okay, so we'll just see control C, control V, and we'll just paste this random data set over here. And here what I'm going to do, I'll just simply delete this. Great. So this is the basic entries I have with me. So very basic entries I have just now added over here. Now a 50 salespersons over here. And every time if in case there is a rate is different, okay, it will be a nightmare for sure. Okay, it will delay, you will feel in your Excel. Okay, that's Excel recalculating the thousands of formulas, whatever is based in your spreadsheet. So we have this data, right? What I'm going to do, I will just convert this into a table. Okay, first I'll convert it because I will get a automatic calculation over here. Cool. So suppose I will add a couple of entries over here and this, and I got a result over here. Now suppose you multiply this by 12 months, okay, and you have a 50 salespersons with 5 linked spreadsheets, okay, you will feel a delay, okay. That Excel recalculates thousands of formula. That's what we are getting, that delays. Okay, how to fix that? So pro tip over here, go to formula section, okay, here in the ribbon tab, and then calculation option. Here you just have to simply click on this manual option. Okay, manual calculation tells Excel stop recalculating. I will tell you when to calculate. Okay, so when I paste this entry over here, okay, 7%. Notice the formula doesn't update. That's not a bug, that's a control. One recalculation, if I press now F9 over here, okay, from my keyboard, I will get a result over here. One calculation updates everything. Now again, we are working on the very smaller data set. That's what we are not identifying that much kind of difference. However, the solutions remains the same. Okay, as and when you update any value in your spreadsheet, okay, and you need a result whenever required, that time you just have to simply press a F9 from your keyboard and you will get a result then and there. Isn't that great? You now control Excel with shortcuts. In case you want to recalculate a entire workbook, that time you will press F9. Okay, Shift F9 only for the active workbook, whichever workbook you are working with, and enter for a single formula. This 7% over here, and then this is the overall value. And here I will simply press Shift F9. Okay, the active Excel workbook will give me the result. Instead of Excel thinking 1,000 times, thinks only once, whichever required. One of the pro tip, and people gets panic, okay, 50, suppose I have added over here as a 50, okay, here in this specific spreadsheet 50, and here I will be simply typing A2, okay, and here I will say this is equal to, okay, into B2 and hit a enter button. Okay, so once we done with this, we get a result which is 100. Suppose I have changed this to 8, but result is still not changes. Need to worry, people always believe that no, Excel might have broken with the formulas, but it's a simple thing in Excel formulas ribbon tab. This is the option, we have turned this on. That's what we are getting this result. Cool. So if I press again F9, okay, I will get a appropriate result then and there. In the same ribbon tab, you see here partial. Okay, you might see partial calculation here. Ignore it for now. Excel is slow, manual is your solution. Good. So stay with the manual always whenever you are working with the larger data set. This is how professional work. Manual while editing. F9 to calculate, automatic when finalizing. If Excel is slow, it's usually not your system, it's this setting, which is this. Subscribe to Discover Talent for practical data analytics skill set. That's actually matter. I hope you enjoyed this Excel quick tricks. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe us. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.